Are you a new mom who wants to start introducing pap to your baby and you don't know how to go about it? Or you don't know the things or the measurements that you need to take into consideration? Are you a mom that wants this kind of smooth, consistent pap whenever you... I'm going to share all the tips and everything you need to know on how to be able to get baby a healthy pap on this video. Please stay tuned, relax, don't go anywhere, and stay to the end as I'll be sharing on how to go about the measurement and how to be able to get it right in order for it to like nourish your baby's body. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make my baby's pap. So first on our list, we're going to be using corn. This is the corn I'm using the yellow one. I'm not using the white one. Some people might prefer to use the white one, but I think the yellow one is more preferable and more healthy for babies in terms of pap. So we are using this corn, and this corn is destoned. I've selected it and it is very neat. So that's the first thing you need to do. The next ingredient we're going to use is dawa and joro. I mix them together. If you see the brown one, that is the joro, then the red one is the dawa. So I mix this together also, and I didn't join it together because I want to wash it differently. There is stone in this dawa more, so you need to like wash it differently. And I'm still going to tell you guys why I separated it, because this part is very, very crucial to you when you're soaking the pap. So first and foremost, you're going to soak your corn first. You don't soak it together because you wouldn't want to like over ferment it. So I'm going to soak my pap first. Then the next day I'll be adding the dawa and the joro so that it will not over process. And I usually soak mine for 2 days. Before I soak it for 3 days. I decided to start soaking it for 2 days so that it doesn't over ferment. So you need to be careful to wash your corn very well because there is sand in it. I keep emphasizing on it. You don't need to rush whenever you want to wash. You want to make pap for your baby. You need to be calm. Do it when you know that you are calm, because there's a lot of sand, small sand in it, that if you're not careful, you will carry it together and go and blend it together and your baby will be eating sand, and we wouldn't want that. And when you are washing your pap, make sure you wash it until the water is clear. When I say clear, no longer as dirty as this. You allow the water to be very, very clear before you'll be able to wash it, to take it out. As you can see in this video, there is a lot of sand, so I'm using my hand at this point to start picking it little by little. Look at the stones I'm talking about. These are the stones of which if you're not careful, you're going to add it into your pap. So we don't want to do that. Instead, you just discard it and go with the ones that you've gotten instead of you to mix it with stones. So like I said before, I soaked the corn first. Then the second day, I added the millet and the dawa. That's the next morning I added it. Then before the following day, I went and blended it. You understand? So I soaked mine for 2 days. You see how clear that water is. Then another thing I add in this is ginger and clove. Ginger and clove is going to help to preserve this, to preserve it from getting spoiled. So I usually add these 2 things as form of preservative for it, and it gives it nice aroma and taste. If you have not been adding ginger and clove in your pap, please introduce it for your baby. It is very nice. As in the smell, the aroma, and the taste is heavenly. So then after that, I went to like blend it. I'm outside now. I went to blend it in the engine. So that is it. At this point, I want to sincerely appreciate everyone who has been supporting me on this channel. Thank you so much. Then here we're already done with the grinding. This is how it came out. So the next thing is to sieve. In this sieving aspect, you need water, extra bucket of water. You will need an extra empty bucket where you'll be sieving it from inside. Then you also need your sieve. Yes, this is your sieve. You also need it that you use it for the pap also. So I'm going to show you guys 2 steps. There are 2 steps to this, so you choose the one that you like most and the one that is convenient for you. So first and foremost, the first step, you tie the sieve around your bucket that you're going to use to sieve the pap. This style to me is kind of stressful to me, so it's not that it's stressful and it's slow. That's to me. So I prefer the second one that I'm going to still show you guys on this place. That one is fast for me, so you can choose the one that is convenient for you to do. That's why I'm showing you guys the 2 steps to this. So after tying it around your bucket, then you scoop out some of the pap, the grounded pap, into the sieve, as you can see in this video. So this is the first
If you've stayed with me to this point, I want to say a very big thank you to you, and I want to appreciate you for staying with me up to this point. And please, if you have any question you need to ask me in the comment section.
Give me a like if you find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Why won't you subscribe if you've watched up to this point? Please subscribe. Click on that red subscribe button. It is free, okay? It is free to subscribe. It is free to like the video. It is free to comment on the video. It is free to share the video. Please share the video to your community, to your friends, to a new mother, to experienced mother already. Please share the video. The only thing that is not free, that comes from your heart generously, is super thanks, of which if you do that, I'm gonna it's going to really gladden my heart. So that's the only one I know that is not free. That's one is one that comes from your heart, out of the generosity of your heart, of which that's the only one I know that you need like to pay. You understand? But every other one is free. Please help me to promote this video, okay? Let it go out there. Thank you so much for all the support, to all my community members, to all my family members here. Thank you. I feel the love you show me. I see the love. I don't even know how to express myself most times, but sincerely, I want to thank you. Thank you for staying with me to this point. And please don't forget to tell me any kind of video you want me to make in the comment section also. It also helps me to know what you like. At this point, I just do virtually, a little bit of everything at this moment. So like I was saying, let's continue from the video. This is the second way that I prefer to sieve my pap, because that one seems to me that it wastes my time and it is slow. So I prefer to just fold it together, then start to press it out until I'm sure that all the milky aspect of this pap is out. This style is way easier for me. Preferences are different. You can choose to do that one. It's still okay. We will still achieve the same results in the end. At the long run, we're going to achieve the same result. So I keep doing this, adding more water to it until I'm sure that it is no longer creamy. Then I squeeze it together like this. If while I'm squeezing it, I still feel that there's still creamy substance coming out of it, I add more water to it. But if not, once I'm done squeezing it and it is dry like this, when I touch it, I feel the texture that it is very dry. As you can see it in my palms, it is very dry. It's no longer creamy or anything. Then I'm sure that I've already finished processing it. So that is basically all that you do. Then you do the rest of the pap. Then after that, you cover it till the next day for it to properly settle. Once it has settled, you remove the water, the excess water from it. Make your pap, scoop your pap and mix it with a little bit of water. Let me know if you want me to show you how to be able to mix it so that it doesn't turn too watery, so it will look like the first clip you saw in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate, and I do not dispose this end product. I dry it and save it. This is very important and very healthy for feed. Bye. Thank you. Mwah.